What if I told you that the right furniture could completely transform your home into a bohemian paradise? From bold statement pieces to subtle rustic accents, we've curated 100 boho furniture ideas to elevate your space in 2025. And here's the best part. Idea number 100 is a hidden gem that's as functional as it is stylish. Welcome to the Design Lounge, your trusted source for creative home decor ideas. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Bohemian furniture, a style that combines art, comfort, and personality. Boho furniture isn't just about filling a space. It's about telling a story through unique, curated pieces. Whether you're drawn to vibrant velvet sofas, rustic reclaimed wood tables, or intricately carved headboards, this video has something for everyone. We've curated 100 stunning Bohemian furniture ideas to help you elevate your home in 2025. Stick with us till the end, because the final idea is a game changer that blends functionality with stunning design. Statement chairs and armchairs are the ultimate centerpiece for any Bohemian-inspired space, combining comfort with artistic flair. Start with a classic rattan peacock chair. Its bold, fan-like back instantly drawing attention. For a more luxurious vibe, opt for a tufted velvet armchair in jewel tones like emerald green or deep burgundy, adding a touch of sophistication. Incorporate global influences with Moroccan pouf-style chairs or Indian embroidered accent chairs to bring cultural depth. Don't shy away from eclectic designs. Mismatched patterns, hand-carved wooden frames, and woven accents can make each piece truly unique. Pair these chairs with soft throw pillows and tassel-trimmed blankets for a layered, cozy look that screams boho chic. Bohemian-style sofas and love seats are all about mixing comfort with striking designs. A low-profile sofa with tufted velvet upholstery in rich shades like mustard, teal, or blush pink creates an inviting centerpiece in any room. For a more laid-back vibe, consider a daybed or a modular sectional draped with textured throws and colorful cushions. Mismatched love seats with bold prints or hand-woven upholstery bring an eclectic charm to your living space. Add global influences with kilim-inspired patterns or embroidered covers for a cultural touch. Pair your sofa with layered rugs and rustic coffee tables to complete the cozy, free-spirited boho aesthetic. Rustic coffee and side tables are essential for grounding a bohemian living space while adding character and charm. Look for reclaimed wood tables with natural imperfections that highlight the beauty of organic materials. Carved wooden tables with intricate patterns bring a touch of artistry, while vintage trunks double as both storage and a functional surface. For a lighter look, opt for rattan or wicker side tables, perfect for adding texture. Pair a rustic coffee table with layered rugs and decorative trays holding candles, books, or small plants to create a warm, inviting centerpiece that blends seamlessly with the boho aesthetic. Bohemian beds and headboards are the ultimate way to make your bedroom a serene and artistic retreat. Canopy beds with flowing, sheared drapes create a dreamy, romantic vibe, while low-platform beds offer a minimalist, grounded look. For a bold statement, opt for intricately carved wooden headboards with floral or geometric patterns, inspired by global craftsmanship. Rattan or wicker headboards add a natural, airy touch, perfect for a tropical boho feel. Layer your bed with textured quilts, tasseled throw blankets, and patterned pillows in earthy tones to create a cozy, layered aesthetic that blends comfort with artistry. In a bohemian home, storage doesn't have to be boring. It can be stylish and functional. Vintage trunks with distressed finishes are perfect for storing blankets while doubling as coffee tables or seating. Woven baskets in natural materials like jute or seagrass add texture and charm, ideal for holding magazines, plants, or extra cushions. Rustic wooden shelves with carved details or floating shelves styled with small decor items bring both storage and display to your walls. Multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans or ladder-style shelves with hanging throws offer creative ways to keep your space organized while maintaining the relaxed, eclectic boho vibe. Bohemian dining room furniture brings a sense of warmth and personality to shared spaces, making every meal feel special. Start with a rustic wooden dining table, either reclaimed or hand-carved, as the centerpiece. Surround it with mismatched chairs, think rattan, upholstered seats with bold patterns, or vintage metal designs to add an eclectic charm. Benches with cushions or embroidered covers provide cozy seating while enhancing the boho aesthetic. Incorporate natural elements like wicker or bamboo for lightweight pieces that blend seamlessly into the space. Finish the look with a macrame table runner, colorful placemats, and hanging pendant lights to create an inviting, free-spirited atmosphere. Bohemian outdoor furniture transforms your patio or garden into a serene oasis of relaxation and style. Weatherproof rattan or wicker chairs paired with low wooden tables create a cozy, natural vibe. Add vibrant cushions and throws with tribal or floral patterns for comfort and color. Hammocks or hanging chairs with macrame details provide a dreamy, laid-back feel, perfect for lounging. Outdoor poufs or floor cushions made of durable fabrics can create versatile seating arrangements. For dining, opt for rustic wooden picnic tables or mismatched chairs with a distressed finish. Complete the look with fairy lights, lanterns, and potted plants to evoke a magical boho ambiance. Decorative stools and poufs are versatile and stylish additions to any Bohemian-inspired space. Moroccan leather poufs in warm tones like tan, brown, or rust bring a touch of global charm, while embroidered ottomans with intricate patterns add texture and color. Wooden stools with carved designs or woven rattan tops serve as both seating and side tables. Upholstered stools in velvet or kilim fabrics create luxurious accents that can be easily moved around. For a playful touch, opt for poufs with tassels, pom-poms, or fringes. These functional yet decorative pieces enhance the cozy, eclectic feel of your boho home, perfect for lounging or as eye-catching decor. Multifunctional furniture is a cornerstone of Bohemian design, blending practicality with artistic charm. Storage ottomans upholstered in vibrant kilim patterns or tufted velvet serve as both seating and hidden storage. Convertible daybeds or futons provide flexible sleeping options while maintaining a relaxed aesthetic. Modular shelving units crafted from reclaimed wood or metal frames offer versatile storage and display options for books, plants, and decor. Coffee tables with built-in storage or nesting tables add functionality without sacrificing style. These adaptable pieces not only save space, but also enhance the layered, eclectic look that defines boho living. Cultural and vintage-inspired furniture brings history and global charm to your Bohemian home. Antique trunks with intricate carvings or brass detailing double as storage and statement pieces. Hand-carved wooden tables from India or Moroccan inlaid furniture with bold geometric patterns add a worldly flair. Vintage chairs with distressed leather or embroidered upholstery evoke a sense of nostalgia and sophistication. Incorporate globally inspired items like a Chinese lacquered cabinet or an African stool made from natural wood. These one-of-a-kind pieces tell a story, blending seamlessly into the relaxed, curated aesthetic of boho design, making your space truly unique. And that wraps up our journey through 100 stunning Bohemian furniture ideas to elevate your home in 2025. Which piece inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and how you plan to incorporate these ideas into your space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Design Lounge, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more creative decor tips and ideas. And if you're ready for more boho inspiration, check out our next video. It's packed with even more ways to transform your home into a bohemian paradise. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.